Hey, this is Janet Green. This video is going to be short and very inspirational. I've come across a wonderful book, and it's called God's Little Instruction Book on Success. And I want to share with you just a little tip today from the scripture. It's from Proverbs 10:4, and this is a revised version. And it says, "Lazy hands make a man poor, but diligent hands bring wealth." And that success quote for today says, the dictionary is the only place that success comes before work. Hard work is the price we must pay for success. Wow, that makes sense. So the person that is sitting at home thinking about what they want to do and never move from the couch, never move from the lazy boy, is the person who will never ever achieve success. Now, that is not you, because you are on this internet, you are on YouTube searching for something, and I'm giving you a tip for success today. And I'm telling you, the Bible is full of reasons why we should succeed and why we can succeed, but you can't be lazy if you want success. Whether it's in a business, whether it's on a job, whether it's in ministry, whatever it is you're trying to do, you will not be successful if you are lazy. So if you see a lazy person that says they want to be successful, just tell them, no, you don't. Not for real. You like the idea of success, but you don't like the hard work that comes with it. Now, there is hard work that is required, but let me show you a way to work smart and not quite as hard. Doesn't mean you don't have to work, but if you work smart, then you don't have to work quite as hard. How am I going to do that? You're going to click the link below, get connected to us. We're going to reveal some secrets to you that are going to show you how to achieve success in a much shorter period of time. Now, it's going to require some work. This is not a get-rich-quick anything. It's going to require some work, but we're going to show you how to work smart. Click the link below. Get connected with us. We're the dream team inside of the Empower Network, and we're making dreams come true, and you could be the next person in line. So have a marvelous Monday, and I'll talk to you soon.